Final award of the night goes to Legendary by Mark II.
Legends. Lego. It's not though. When you look at where I come from, the Combons and the ghetto, just being here itself and being nominated for all these awards is a blessing, you know what I mean? Thank you very much to everybody that voted. I really appreciate it. And at the end of the day, it's about taking Zambian music to the next level. A program. Lastly, I like to say when I shine, it's not me who shines alone. I shine with everybody, every little boy with a dream in the ghetto. We could do it. If I could do it, you could do it.
Yeah, I can do it. Let's go boxer. Dele pakati pale mongone na mulo Thewz Kapondo kama flows. Yeah. Big shout out Macky too. Yeah.
Mwizenge
Oje, holy jabba. Shout out kuli mukamba. Afaka vampili munamba. Respect, hold them. I promise I'll do the same. I think in the younger time you fuck avena mugemo. Ndine di placement ya Mark II. 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 Buga Mark II. Ndine di placement ya Mark II. Vene chef, vene towela, vene yo maps, vemo mamvela ni buga anabapangila njila vena siniza kwa niso mibendela. No buga sembe kulibe kupala ni maisi yanka vene mamvela kufakila mponi na hobi sa pambashela. Try tuliko wasaivala. Remember I'm lucky he is a song. Mumubondo ndiye linyi ton. Great job Mark well done. Usiye nako na bazawandan. Wake buga pale mutima tandisa wangati maapo kama hapa manje wanandala mabacho sa mahiti yenye siya zima. Wake wapanga good history Musabya music industry. Wake share ni batali watilangiza example. Siyati walangize momo. Big ups chikatemo. Shimwela watifakamo. Leka manjeti ngenemo. Oje, holy jabba. Shout out kuli mukamba. Afaka vampili munamba. Respect, hold them. I promise I'll do the same. I think in the younger time you fuck avena mugemo. Ndine di placement ya Mark II. 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 Buga Mark II. Ndine di placement ya Mark II. Ndine di placement no doubt. My fans wanichonga ngat na ike excellent. Thewz vapele fyama hit. Really talented you can do it. See me mama made it. It's not a kiss the press market. Hello baseti mpaseni matu. Nifune kashe na backup. Polo moteni ngacheni lontepe. Feel like a nigo na mapepepe. Mpasile maiki ni lape. Basiba bena wanga chepe. Pena pita pali ponse. Basala wali mbila na mabebebebe. Levu na chinja Vamahala vina sile you need to pay. Siya panaine hamu everywhere ya life. Yanga la che. Kuli konsene kafika. Vanimvela mushi ati mfumu higwe. Kuli benzo believer kuti Thewz iwe vinga chitike. Ndine nankala ni waseka manje ineni keke. Oje, holy jabba. Shout out kuli mukamba. Afaka vampili munamba. Respect, hold them. I promise I'll do the same. I think in the younger time you fuck avena mugemo. Ndine di placement ya Mark II. 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 Buga Mark II. Ndine di placement ya Mark II. Yo, another classic in the area. You know we always do classic music. It's your baby boy Thewz. Hey yo PMC, DJ Tola. Hey yo Showster, Cash Bali, Double Haufa. Yo, Jehalamedia.
Chico Talanda, Sedi Lipo number 1 Mwizenge